ugly. No person in history has been so widely admired as the great Hebrew prophet Moses, peace be upon him. Furthermore, his fame as well as the number of people who respect him has steadily grown throughout the ages. It is most likely that Moses, peace be upon him, flourished in the 13th century BC, since Ramses II, generally thought to be the pharaoh of the Exodus story, died in 1237 BC. During Moses' lifetime, as the book of Exodus makes clear, there were a fair number of Hebrews who disagreed with his policies. Within 5 centuries, however, Moses, peace be upon him, was revered by all the Jewish people. By 500 AD, his fame and reputation had spread, along with Christianity, throughout much of Europe. A century later, Muhammad, peace be upon him, recognized Moses as a true prophet. And with the spread of Islam, Moses became an admired figure throughout the Muslim world. Even in Egypt, today, some 32 centuries after he lived, Moses, peace be upon him, is honored by Jewish, Christians, and Muslims alike, and is even respected by many agnostics. The story of Moses, peace be upon him, is mentioned in the Holy Quran several times. Let's see the story of Moses, peace be upon him, in the Holy Quran, chapter number 20, verse number 9 to 28. Has there come to you the story of Moses, when he saw a fire and said to his family, "Stay here, I have noticed a fire. Perhaps I can bring you an ember from it, or find some guidance by the fire." So when he came to it, he was called, "O Moses, it is me, your Lord. So remove your shoes. You are in the sacred valley of Tuwa. I have chosen you for prophethood. So listen to what it is revealed. Surely I am Allah. There is no God but myself. So worship me and establish Salah for my remembrance. Surely the hour, the day of judgment has to come. I would keep it secret so that everyone is given a return for the effort one makes. So the one who does not believe in it and follows his desires must not make you neglectful of it, otherwise you will perish. And what is that in your right hand, O Moses? He said, It is my staff. I lean on it and I beat down leaves with it for my sheep, and I have many other uses of it. Allah said, Throw it down, O Moses. So he threw it down, and suddenly it was a snake running around. Allah said, Pick it up and be not scared. We shall restore it to its former state. And press your hand under your arm, and it will come out brightly white without any disease, as another sign, so that we may show you some of our great signs. Go to Pharaoh, he has really exceeded all bounds. He said, My Lord, put my heart at peace for me, and make my task easy for me, and remove the knot from my tongue, so that they may understand my speech.